Hey guys, how you doing? Let's go. What the? Ooh, magazine. How many gems? Please don't get it. 75! I have to be a lucky goose to get 75. Oh, wondering why I got all this golden food already? I have 90 for Dragon Dough. And you want to eat that seems like awful lot for one zero. I'm gonna shuffle. This one or that. I'll pick this one. Where's the other one? What is he one? What's that? The unicorn? Sorry guys, I played this game for a really long time. Oh, yeah, sorry for I'm going back. Can I get a bail? Okay. Well, I've been. I want to buy a legendary actor, but that's easy. And so I've had that for these. The dragon. I can buy Pro Dragon? I'm got more money than I think. I have more money than I think. Yeah, I always keep my money and all.
Wonder what the day we've been having, that is entirely possible. But I'm also saying that doing good things leads to the universe getting destroyed. That's not a universe I want to live in anyway.
Wow. I only have one gem. Come on, man. I'm dead. Oh, yeah. I can't. I know what I'm doing. I'm going to my stadium. And I'm going to use it. I don't know where.
In other words, you can predict now.
And I should wait till my Yoda dragon. Terrifying. Get an electric shock! Oh, that? Yeah. Okay. Am I? Yeah. I'm dead. Yeah, boy. But Legends found Legend. Legends found. Boom, baby, boom, baby. Dirty bottles. I'm going again for 3 jabs. That's better than on the switch. Money Mo, I pick it this either way. What was that one? I bet it was a good one. This is my first time I was again, and the fans are amazing. The show hasn't even come out yet. I've been trying to get up to my dad. I will keep it. I'm going back on my low level. I'm gonna put that to 2. I'm not gonna go hard anymore. Let's see. There we go. I don't like if they don't like it. The awful. I don't know how I got how I am, you know. I don't even care about that. I wonder what's my alternate. Seems like there's an alternate. Seems like my dragons. Oh, my new dragon. I don't remember Debbie. I can do it. And I remember you, Mewtwo. She was 17 before I knew her. And Nosy. I know you were a troublemaker. And your brother's in town, actually. No. Hey. I'm gonna be the wig. I'm gonna go Snapchat. I know, and they never have projects. This is where I'm gonna be putting my main team on this island. I'm gonna put my legendary. I'm gonna put my warrior team. Just have to level them up. Like Kyoko. What do we name him? Oh no. No. X. What the? Get me off of this. Get me off of this. Base. No. That's even higher. I'm having to reload this thing. Bye bye, guys.